President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is committed to thoroughly reviewing the proposed 2026 national budget once it reaches his desk, ensuring that every detail aligns with the nation's priorities. The palace has emphasized that despite the tight timeline, the president will not rush the process and will carefully assess the budget before signing it into law. This report. The palace said President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will carefully study the proposed 2026 national budget once he receives the enrolled version of the General Appropriations Bill. This was Malacanang's response when asked whether the chief executive would have sufficient time to review the budget, given that its ratification and transmittal from Congress are expected on December 29. According to the palace, the president had expected to receive the enrolled bill at an earlier date. Nevertheless, the palace assured the public that the president will thoroughly scrutinize the proposed national budget before signing it.
Pipilitin po ng Pangulo, pipilitin po na maaral, mabuti, at mapirmahan po ang 2026 national budget bago magtapos po ang taon. Pero ang tinitiyak po ng Pangulo ay aralin, matutukan, mabusisi ang nasabing enrolled bill at matiyak na ang mga nakalagay dito ay naaayon sa prioridad ng administrasyon, isang malinis, makatao at nakatuon ang mga bills na to, or rather ang mga provision dito para sa taong bayan.
Malacanang also gave its assurance that the president will ensure that no questionable insertions will slip into the national budget.
Limitado man po ang panahon, ang sinisiguro po ng Pangulo ay aaralin mabuti to. Kung may dapat i-veto po ng Pangulo.
The palace emphasized that the president will personally focus on the budget review, meaning there will be no Christmas break.
Sa Pangulo po, di po kailangan magkaroon ng Christmas break. Kailangan po talagang aralin ito at pipilitin na mapirmahan po ito bago magtapos ng taon.
Once the enrolled bill is received, the president is expected to be assisted by the Department of Budget and Management in reviewing the proposed national budget.
Kung may kinakailangan pong tawagin ang Pangulo na mga cabinet secretaries para po mas malinaw, ipapatawag po sino man po ang kinakailangan na namumuno sa isang related agencies.
On Thursday, the Senate and the House of Representatives concluded the bicameral conference committee deliberations on the proposed 2026 General Appropriations Bill, following 6 days of negotiations aimed at reconciling differing provisions of the 6.793 trillion proposed budget. It may be recalled that the president described his Christmas wish as having a good budget for the coming year. This is Sharm Zespina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.